From battlefields to saving lives, these AI-powered drones show us the future in the sky. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 of the most advanced drones in the world. We'll see how they're being used in military missions, firefighting, security, delivery, and even futuristic swarm technology. Get ready to see how artificial intelligence is taking flight. First on our list is the MQ-35 VBAT, developed by Shield AI. This drone is designed for military and defense, and it's unlike most drones you've seen before. The VBAT can take off and land vertically, so it doesn't need a runway. It's powered by Shield AI's advanced HiveMind system, which allows it to operate completely autonomously. Unlike traditional drones, it doesn't depend on GPS or constant communication, meaning it can function even in areas where signals are jammed or unavailable. This makes it perfect for reconnaissance and tactical missions, where reliability and independence are crucial. By providing soldiers with real-time intelligence without putting human lives at risk, the MQ-35 VBAT shows us exactly how AI is reshaping modern defense. Second is the Data Blanket Fire Drone, designed for firefighting and rescue operations. This drone is built with one mission in mind: fighting wildfires. Using AI-driven mapping, the Data Blanket drone can track the spread of fire in real time. It takes off and lands autonomously, which means it can be deployed quickly and cover wide areas without human pilots. The data it provides helps firefighters understand where the fire is heading, which areas are most at risk, and how best to respond. With wildfires becoming more frequent and more dangerous across the globe, drones like this one could become an essential tool in saving both lives and entire communities. Third, we have the DJI Matrice 300 RTK, a drone widely used in security and surveillance. Equipped with AI vision, thermal cameras, and autonomous flight capabilities, it's a versatile machine trusted by both police and rescue teams. In search and rescue operations, the Matrice can scan massive areas quickly, and with its thermal imaging, it can detect missing people even in darkness, smoke, or dense forests. Beyond rescue work, it's also used to patrol and inspect critical infrastructure such as bridges, pipelines, and power lines. By combining artificial intelligence with powerful hardware, the Matrice 300 RTK shows how drones are becoming essential tools for safety, security, and emergency response. Fourth is the Amazon Prime Air MK-30, the latest step in autonomous delivery technology. Built by Amazon, this drone is designed to deliver packages directly to your doorstep. It can carry items weighing up to 2.3 kilograms, or about 5 pounds, and it navigates independently using AI to avoid obstacles along the way. The idea is simple but revolutionary. Order a product online and have it delivered within 30 minutes without trucks, drivers, or traffic. If fully implemented, this system could transform logistics, reduce road congestion, and even lower emissions from delivery vehicles. For many, this is the future of online shopping: fast, efficient, and contactless. Finally, let's look at swarming technology. At Eötvös Loránd University in Hungary, researchers have developed a swarm of 100 fully autonomous drones. What makes them extraordinary is that they don't rely on a single controller. Instead, they coordinate with each other like a flock of birds or a school of fish, adjusting in real time without central control. The potential uses are remarkable. In agriculture, swarms could monitor crops across huge fields. In environmental science, they could track weather patterns or study wildlife. And in the military, drone swarms could be deployed for advanced tactics that overwhelm traditional defenses. Swarming drones are one of the clearest signs that AI is not just teaching machines to act, but also to cooperate. From defense to rescue missions, from security to doorstep delivery, and even futuristic swarm technology, AI-powered drones are already transforming the world we live in. And this is just the beginning. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to Explainect and discover how technology is shaping the future.